Fitting this snorkel here to the Tank 300 over there. As you can see, there are a lot of parts. There's this top part. This is the magic part here. Without this part, it's never going to work because the ones from China are not for our right-hand drive vehicles. So this is a special one. You've got a new airbox housing over here on the bottom. You've got the snorkel part. You've got this part that goes in the corner. Yeah, so we're busy getting that done. And yeah, let's follow on and watch this build and see how it turns out. So obviously here you've got to strip back everything over there, take everything out, take the airbox out, leave that there, and then you've got to make some space here, get that part in there, the template, get the template going over there. Then we're going to drill the hole, and then we're going to fit the snorkel. Okay, so the correct way to do this is obviously have a look here. You've got your one bolt there lining up with the two, call it washers. The smaller one is on the inside, which goes on the original hole, and it helps it line it up. And then you've got the two holes on the outside here, and then the arrow on the right hand side. So make sure that's like that. And then over here, you're basically going to have it like that. As you can see, you've got that screw over there. There, that gap there, and the plate goes over that screw. The bolts there, and then this on the steel here, you can see it folds nicely around there. So that's how that template goes. Now we're gonna place the other, which is the round one. That's gonna go in here with the arrow pointing correctly. So it's gonna go like, don't want to drop this in. So that's gonna go like that. You can see it fits into the hole, so it helps you line it up. And then this star thing, or this gear one, is going to go on the outside to clamp it together. So let's do that now. So as you can see, this the round one goes into the gap and helps you line it up. And then this gear one is going to go on top of it, also with the arrow lining up, and it's going to clamp the whole thing together. And that's your template clamped into place. So finally got it all bolted up. So that's where the drill bit hole saw is going to go, and that's all lined up and all tight. So now we're just going to drill. This is the hole saw that you get with the kit, and it's going to cut through the steel. Alright, ready to go. Alright, so we've cut the hole. As you can see, it's nice and neat. We're just going to take the backing plate off, take the bracket off here, and then we're going to have a nice neat hole. We're just going to clean up all the little shavings here, and then yeah, we're going to start fitting the snorkel. Exciting times. Just look at that, perfectly beautiful hole, ready for the snorkel pipe to come through there. So here's where we're at so far. As you can see, fits very nicely over the pipes. Actually got a nice little sort of rubber bracket there that goes over the brake pipes, and that's the hole. And yeah, everything is plugged in, ready to go. Okay, so there's the snorkel fitted to this vehicle. This is a proper piece of kit. I mean, this thing is strong. What is this here for? So this you can use to mount a little spotlight or something like that, because normally you would use this section over here, but obviously that's been replaced with this. But I see here you can also mount spotlights and things here, so I suppose it's just a utility piece, right? Now what is this piece over here? So let's say you want to run your lights. you can now run your lights, your wires out through these holes here, attach here. You can even put an air hose if you want. You can make a hole there, put an air hose if you want. Like, there's just utility. You can just use it for many different things. And here it is, fit. I mean, it looks OEM, right? Just look at that. Fits to the original piece over there, but that whole piece there is new. It goes over your brake pipes and underneath, nicely tucked in over there, and then it goes through the firewall, and you can actually see it poking out there. So yeah, this is a proper piece of kit. If you need one of these installed, let me know, or try it yourself. But yeah, some knowledge would be needed to do that yourself. But yeah, beautiful piece of kit.